Have you ever wished you had a little extra cash every month? Perhaps you have a talent or a hobby that you enjoy, but you're not sure how to make money from it without completely altering your life? You've come to the correct spot. I'll give a straightforward explanation of what a side hustle is in this video. This beginner's guide will walk you through the process of starting safely, whether your goal is to pay off a bill, save for a trip, or simply try something new. You will have a clear understanding of what a side hustle is by the end of this video. I'll give you 5 easy, safe ideas to start with, along with simple steps to start your own journey. You'll leave here with a clear plan to get started right now, whether you're looking for a new creative outlet or a little extra money. What is a side hustle? A side hustle is just an adaptable, part-time source of additional income. It's something you do away from your primary job, frequently utilizing abilities you already possess or pursuing a pastime you find enjoyable. Consider it a personal endeavor that will need to increase your monthly income without having to leave your day job. A side hustle is not a way to become wealthy quickly. It's not about working through the night and exhausting yourself. Furthermore, unless you want it to be much later, it is most definitely not a replacement for your job. It's just a methodical approach to gradually increase your income and skill set. Why start a side hustle? The first reason is extra money. You can use this to pay off debt, save money, or purchase a special item. However, it goes beyond money. It's an opportunity to develop new abilities, safely test a business concept, and even transform a pastime into something fulfilling. It's about gaining self-assurance and opening up new possibilities on your own terms. 5 beginner-friendly side hustle ideas. These are 5 easy side hustles that anyone can try. First, independent work such as graphic design or writing. Online tutoring in a subject you are familiar with comes in second. Third, selling crafts or handmade goods. Fourth, go dog walking or pet sitting in your neighborhood. Fifth, helping businesses with small tasks by working as a virtual assistant. These are legitimate, safe ways to begin making money on your own terms. How to start your side hustle? Starting an operation is easier than you believe. To start, consider what you love or have skill at. After this, perform some research to determine if people demand the service. After that, start small instead of investing cash at the start. Create an account for people to easily search for, perhaps an account on social media sites. Lastly, schedule so the side business integrates easily into the schedule without causing difficulty. Important safety tips. Stay safe while earning. First of all, never pay a fee to begin a job. That is a common scam. Always safeguard your private details when online. Also, remember to monitor your earnings for tax purposes. Finally, it is most important to listen to both your body and your mind. Do not let your side job burn you out. Moderation is important when enjoying a journey. Therefore, a side hustle is just a way of making extra cash while doing what you love, when you like, and as often as you like. Wait, so you know what a side hustle is, why you should do it, and what 5 easy ideas you can start off with. Just remember, keep it small, keep it safe, and keep on having fun. Choose an idea and take the first step. If this video has been helpful to you, please do like this video, and that all help this channel. I would like to hear your comments regarding the side hustle that you are planning to implement. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel to watch the next video. Thanks.